pussy. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche and me Maserati. A Birkin full of cash, now rich me wealthy. Exercise me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty. You want to take my crown, you have a way with your soul. Pick up the eagle, I made it, pitch it so.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, Beenie Man diss back Vybz Kartel lyrically. Also, we have Neako that said the real king of the dancehall is actually Sean Paul. So you definitely want to stay tuned for those clips. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. Dancehall nice again, you know. Dancehall nice again. Long time we no see no clash go on. When the last time we see no back and forth from Jada Kingdom and Steph? Mighty God. Yeah man, this nice. So Beenie Man finally respond to Vybz Kartel, because yesterday Kartel did Lego one like a mini snippet of a new song. You know, fully released yet, but Pani IG a part tight where probably trigger Beenie Man for respond when Vybz Kartel say,
you want to take my crown, you have a way with your soul. Pick up the eagle, I made it, pitch it so.
I know man have ego and then I sit down and make no man style them. Beenie Man decide for defending title. You understand? He now go just good on so. And he drop a diss track. Well, I'm not gonna call it diss track yet. It's a snippet, just like a Kartel drop a snippet and call him man Humpty Dumpty, because you know Kartel head swell from the Graves disease. So basically Beenie Man a troll him. But on the time I want to think about the song, ever since Beenie Man post a video there on Instagram about, you know, when time Vybz Kartel you know, tell him say, yo, I'm a king of dancehall friend in come out time mother. There has been this discussion on the internet, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. And a few people had their 2 cents. So this is the discussion in the streets. Check this out.
Jaja God. Oh, me even address this you know. Beenie Man, respect to you Beenie Man, and thank you for the much umpteen years contribution where you give to dancehall. But Beenie Man, when you hear them say Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall, Beenie Man, shut your mouth and don't say nothing. Me I beg you, Zogozo, Beenie Man. It come like say your eyes them a get cloudy or something, Beenie Man. You could have really in a demia era, in a demia time you know, compare yourself with Vybz Kartel as the king of dancehall. Beenie Man, you don't know history. You just realize when history set. Beenie Man, you ever gone now out of dancehall your teeth my ear, brother? Beenie Man, almost 13 year Kartel there one place put down for no performance, no nothing, and look. Beenie Man, me and you know, say you know, say Vybz Kartel a king, but here you know, is a legacy where you want to set say you're king of dancehall. Probably at the time when them used to tell us say you're king of dancehall, Beenie Man, you probably were the king. We not take nothing from you. But Zogozo right now, Beenie Man, when you hear about king of dancehall, tell yourself that you were once the king, but you are not the king anymore. Beenie Man, nobody in a dancehall thing no tougher than for Vybz Kartel right now. Anybody tell your thing tougher than for Kartel right now, Beenie Man, you know say I just rate you and them know say them bias. Vybz Kartel, if Vybz Kartel is not the king of dancehall, then Beenie Man, who could it be? I still know you. I still know you right now, Beenie Man. You hear me say? Probably back then you were the king. Probably right now, if Beenie Man, if you still have problem with Massacre, you still have problem with Alkaline, you still have problem with so much other artists. If even Kartel say no want it. But Beenie Man, make we be real with yourself, man. Make we be real with yourself. If Kartel are not king of dancehall, there is no other king. A Uncle Burger King in a dancehall. Believe when me tell you that.
Is Beenie Man the king of dancehall? Because from your little pitty me I hear me say you're my king of dancehall. So I did some research and found out that in the 90s this man just get up one day and say, here what? I king it up. And everybody else has just some peasants and some blood clot jesters. So basically we grew up and hear me call himself the king. I would just never care, because you know man what he call himself grub god or something. So anyway, it wasn't until 2009 that he officially was crowned the king of dancehall for I guess that period. We all know that the real king is.
So Beenie Man was interviewed, and when asked a question, what do you think about the king of dancehall? The man said, okay, one king, one clown, one throne, one crown. So who am I call clown? Because number one, King Yellow Man never undone king of dancehall to Beenie Man. And right now, Beenie Man look like him stuck in a position a try for answer a question and him call somebody clown. So is he calling himself a clown because you did not get the tune from King Yellowman, right? So I don't think that Beenie Man is the right person to pass it over to Addy. So we need to go to King Yellowman and ask him, who would he give the king of dancehall? Because Beenie Man said one king, one clown, one throne, one crown.
Now, I had played a piece of this clip yesterday when this guy was saying this is the reason why Beenie Man vex, because the big billboard put it out, say Vybz Kartel are the king. And then after that interview, Beenie Man, post the video with Kartel saying that him are the king of the dancehall. So this guy here was saying Beenie Badman and this make him post the video, because if Billboard acknowledge Kartel as the king, then internationally I saw everybody see it according to this guy. But after all of that discussion worldwide, Neako Fire said no, it's neither Beenie Man nor Vybz Kartel. The real king is Sean Paul, and this is the reason why he said that. Check this out.
So when me this say Sean Paul are the king of dancehall, everybody in Jamaica and their mother and their father, everybody want to beat me off. But Billboard, big Billboard, they released the 21st century most influential artists them of all time living, and Sean Paul are the only dancehall artist make a list. Beenie Man are the panelists, Moval are the panelists, Yellow Man are the panelists. Only one artist for a dancehall Jamaican artist. Matter of fact, only Jamaican artist upon the list, and a Sean Paul. So when I try to tell me say, Billboard no new music and no new genre music. One king of dancehall, one global king of dancehall, and Sean Paul. You hear that? So no cuss me now, no cuss Billboard. And all who disagree with me, on need to go check Billboard and argue with them. Because Sean Paul the only Jamaican dancehall artist who make the list. Rihanna upon it as a Caribbean artist, Nicki Minaj upon it as a Caribbean artist, and one other artist. But Sean Paul are the only artist where Jamaican upon it, and him their number, I think number 88. So don't argue with me now, argue with Billboard. When me talk things, don't make it look like say a lie me I tell.
Alright, my people, say you hear from the streets, you hear from Neako, and you hear from the two artists them. So who do you think is the king of the dancehall currently? Vybz Kartel or King Beenie Man? Let me know down in the comment section. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far in the video, leave a like on the video. Also leave a comment and share. Subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. I'll see you next time. Bye.